Roadways. Roads play a vital role in our life by providing door-to-door services. Roads can be metalled or unmetalled. Look at the two pictures. The first road is a metalled road and the second one is an unmetalled road. In roadways, roads are the most important modes of transport over short distances. Major highways that join important cities of the country are metalled. Few village roads are unmetalled or pathways. Look at the video. What do you see? Lots and lots of traffic. The amount of traffic is very high in the plains as compared to hilly, deserted terrains. Look at the other two videos. Those are roads in hilly areas and there is no traffic there. Almost all the mountainous regions, dense forests and deserts have sufficient network of roads. What do you see in this video? Construction of roads. Yes, roads are easy to construct and to maintain. One of the world's highest roadways system is situated in India. Manali-Leh highways of Himalayan mountains. Look at that picture. That is in India, the Manali-Leh highways of Himalayan mountains. Today, roads are also built underground and over raised structures. The roads that are constructed underground are called subways or underpaths. You can see it in the picture. The roads that are constructed over raised structures are called flyovers. You can see that also in the picture. In England, the road highways are known as the motorways, while these are termed as autobahns in Germany. India also has a dense network of roads and is progressing day by day. The development of Golden Quadrilateral is proof of the rapid development of road networks in our country. Look at the four shapes, the green, blue, red and bluish green. All of them are called quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? It's a shape that has four sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The Golden Quadrilateral superhighway joins Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. Can you see on the map? As it connects Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai and Mumbai, it makes a quadrilateral, a four-sided shape. That's why it has the name Golden Quadrilateral. Take a close look at the map. And that is the Golden Quadrilateral Highway that joins these cities. Due to high pollution, people prefer clean vehicles, both for personal and public transport. It involves producing clean engine fuel, that is non-polluting, and developing new and clean exhaust discharge system. So, the non-polluting alternative is electric vehicles, electric car. Can you see it in the picture? That's right. Railways are important for bulk transport of goods and for traveling long distances. Steam engines are replaced by electric and diesel locomotives. In metropolitan cities, metro railways run underground at congested places. India has the largest railway network in Asia. Another type of railway, called monorail, is running successfully in Japan, Germany, and some advanced countries of the world. In this type of railway, the track consists of a single rail. Look at the video. And it also runs suspended in air near congested areas. Can you see the video? It's suspended in air, the first one. The second one is not suspended in air. The track consists of a single rail. This is also going to be introduced in India on experimental basis. Both monorail and metro railways save time and effort involved in reaching a destination. There are fast rail services in countries like Japan, Germany, France, and the USA. The European Union has taken steps recently to revitalize its railways. The railways in European countries will lay more emphasis on catering to markets and congested habitation sites. It will run underground services and separate traffic from infrastructure. This means that customers will get more services. Today, many places in India have metro rail services. Example: Kolkata, Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai.